Good evening, everybody. So, welcome to this session. So, today we are going to look for the how you are going to build your resume. Okay, what are the things you need to build your resume? Okay, what are the process you have to follow to build your resume? We are going to look for it. Okay, so in this resume session, we are going to look for the some of the things like how we are going to build our tailor resume and why we are going to build a tailor resume. Okay. Then we are going to look for the understanding about the job description. Okay. Relevant skills and experiences which you have to be put in your resume. Using effective keywords. Customize how you are going to customize your resume layout. Okay. Tailoring your cover letters and what are the best practices we are going to deal with for the preparing a resume. Okay. So why we need tailor resume? The first and most important question most of the people are going to ask. So it will going to enhance the visibility and relevance to the hiring manager. Okay. When you build your tailor resume, the visibility of your resume by a visibility of your resume to the hiring managers, it become increase. So that's the main purpose we are going to make a tailor resume. And the second thing is alignment with the job culture. Okay, whatever the skills we are going to highlight in our resume or experiences, are they aligned with the job culture or job description or not? So this is the second reason why we are making the tailor resume. Interview chances, it will going to increase the interview chances. Okay, and essential for the competitiveness because you already know there are n number of applicants are for one particular job. So how your job profile going to be shortlisted from all those people? Okay, how you are going to have a better chance, a better weightage to get selected. So that's the main to eliminate all the competitiveness. We are going to make a tailor resume. Okay, then we have to look for the job description. Okay, whatever the job and job description or job sites you are searching, and in those job sites for each and every job, there are some of the job description will be given there. Okay, so you have to look for the key skills which they have present or given in that job description. Okay, so those job description skills you have to prioritize in your resume. Okay, then what essential desirable skills? Okay, you have to only focus on the desirable skills and qualifications they have described in the description. Okay, then adopting a job language. Okay, whatever the job culture they have in their company, you have to adapt to that job culture and job language. Okay, and through job description you will get the insight how to how and what kind of questions that interviewer going to ask in that interview. Okay. So because it will give a little bit of peak. Okay. According to this area, you will get the questions according to this area, according to machine learning, data analytics, pre-processing, EDA. What are the job according to that job description, you will going to able to know what questions the interviewer going to ask. Okay. So then after reading the job description, you have to do what? Match your skills. Okay, match your skills which are listed in the job requirement. Okay, mention those job experiences which they have mentioned in the job description and use measurable achievement to demonstrate qualification. Okay, then prioritize your content. Prioritize your content means whatever the description they have given or job requirement they have given in the description, you have to prioritize those skills and experiences in your resume. Okay, so get better chance to get selected. Okay, and update your resume regularly or daily, I will say, because updating a resume, it will going to increase the chances to get selected or get visible your resume to the HR people. Okay, so please keep your job profile or job resume updated. Whatever the new skills and achievement you are gaining in during some kind of previous job or during any kind of course you are doing, whatever. So do mention those things, it will going to uplift your resume only. Okay. Then extract the keywords related to required skill and technology they have mentioned in the job requirements. Okay. So mention those keywords. Okay. And when you are mentioning those keywords, keep integrated keyword in a description naturally. Okay. Whatever the keyword you are using, give a description of what that thing. Okay. Description, and give the description like that. It will feel like a natural description, not some kind of description you get from the chat GPT and all those things. Okay. You can take the idea from those chat GPT and all, but you have to write it in your own words. Okay. Use the balance keyword. Okay. M- Maintain the natural flow for the both the ATS and human being. ATS is a software through which the HR people are going to shortlist the resume for the interview. Okay. So this ATS software, what they do, when you put a resume in for the company or for a job post, so this ATS software is going to shortlist the uh, resume which is going to be relevant to the job description. After shortlisting those resume, it will going to go on with the human reviewer, and this human reviewer or people person, what is they going to, it will going to analyze your profile and call you for the interview if it he is like. Okay. And please avoid the focus, avoid keyword stuffing. Okay. Keyword stuffing means don't give unnecessary details, unnecessary of skills, unnecessary of knowledge or qualification, which is not required in that particular job description. Okay. Then, then after doing each and everything, then you have to customize your resume layout. So what you have to do, you have to choose your resume layout in chronological order. You can choose it in the functional also, and you can also change in combination format also. Okay. Then enhance the readability. Use clean layout and strategic typography. Strategic typography means whenever you are going to make a resume, please keep the font or style of a font is as a like that you will able to read it, and it should not be a challenge for other people to read it also. Okay, so you have to keep the font and color of the text in a simple manner or in a attractive manner. Okay. So each and every person can able to read and not will get some kind of discrepancies are there. Okay. Then strategic placement. Position each and every critical information which job requirement has given. Okay. Keep those things prominently and or you can say prioritizely. Okay. Use of visuals. Okay. Incorporate the subtle graphics or color accent. Okay. Like I said, don't place any kind of font or the text color, like it will not able to read it properly by some people. Okay. So incorporate the graphics and color accent, which is really subtle, able to look decent. Okay. Don't too much flashy. Don't too much dull. Okay. Keep it subtle. Then after preparing your resume, you have to also build your cover letter. So what you have to give things in cover letter, you have to give the address, address the letter to a specific person. Okay, if possible, you have okay personal touch. Then express your interest. Okay, in the cover letter, you are going to tell about yourself. Okay, why you are fit for this particular job or why what are the experience you had, so that will make you qualified to particular job. All those things you're going to tell it about the things in your cover letter. Okay, state why you excited about the opportunity, and you are also going to what are the skill and experience aligned with the company's objectives. Okay, there those things you have to be mentioned in your cover letter. And at the last, you have to conclude all those things you have mentioned above in one paragraph. So, like it will going to request the interview, I am the best fit for this job. Okay. Then then the final tips are the ensure the documents are free from error. Okay. Seek feedback. Get resume reviewed by the mentors or career advisor. Okay, means you have to get verify your the resume which you have prepared by some person on which you can trust, or the person who have very too much of experience about in this field. Okay, so get advice from them and it will be good for you. Then keep it current, means regularly update your resume and whatever the new skills and knowledges you are gaining, or please mention those things in your resume. Okay. Engaging in the network. So like you want to find a job in a data science firm, a data science field. So keep in network with the people who are in this particular field. Okay. So it will going to build your network. And after, if you get a very good network, you will get ample of chance or opportunity to get selected or get know about the n number of jobs and applications. Okay. Then there are the different job portal, Naukri.com, Shine.com, Indeed, okay, LinkedIn. These are the various job portal where you can go and search for the jobs. Okay, but most famous in Naukri and LinkedIn, through which you can able to find the jobs. Okay. Then what are the keywords you are going to use for building a resume when you are building a resume for a data science? Data science. So you have to mention you know about SQL, analytics, statistics, and business analysis, machine learning, time series, okay, recommendation system, deep learning, okay, and about the analytics skill, you have a predictive, qualitative, quantitative skills, okay. Then, or what are the skills you know about the data management, like data warehouse, architecture, privacy, classification. These kind of skills or keywords you can mention in your resume with according to prioritizing your job requirements. Okay, don't keep all these keywords in your resume. It will going to be a very bad impression on the particular HR people, HR person. Okay, so select the keywords according to the job description and mention in your resume. So it will going to give you that uplifting chance to get selected. Okay, then you have some question like how you're going to have improved your career process. These kind of question they are going to ask if you have faced the interview. Then what do you worry about? Okay. What do you worry about means what are the things you worry about when you get selected in some particular jobs? Okay. They were going to ask that question. So you are going to some kind of challenges. So you have to tell I have no challenges right now. If in future I will get the challenge, I will let you know or contact the HR person. Okay, then you can give you the creativity example for of yourself, like why you are fit for this particular job things and all. Okay, they are also going to ask you, are you willing to relocate or not? Are you able to travel or not in some destination they are want? Okay, these are the common questions you are going to face when you get HR call or interview. Okay, then then we have this 360DigiTMG. In there, we are providing the trainings to the data science, data analytics. Okay, so this is our the contact number. You can contact us. Okay, and you also can mail us inquiry at the rate 360digitmg.com. Okay, our office at Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Chennai. You can also follow us in Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn for the queries. Okay. So thank you all. We will meet in next week at the same time. Okay. Bye.